Hi everybody, this is Tony Dixon from Cool Running Software, and this video here is to go over the Cool Running driver and how to go ahead and load multiple trucks at once. So what would this be used for? Well, this would be used for a situation when you might have a person that's working in your back that's actually just loading all the trucks to get prepared for the next day, and you want them to put all the load information in. That way there, when your drivers come in the next day and they pick their truck, all the load information will be there automatically for them. Individually, guys can load trucks too. But in this situation right here, I'm going to show you how to load multiple trucks. So on front here on my screen here, I got Cool Running driver, and I'm going to go ahead and tap on it. Now right now I'm currently logged in, so I'm going to log out. Look at that profile, and I'm going to log out. Okay, so this is the start screen opening up right here. Now make deliveries is actually for a driver that's going to log in, he's going to make deliveries, but we're going to tap on actually load trucks. So I'm going to tap right here on load trucks. Okay, now you'll have to log in. Okay, and click login. Alright, so right here it's asking for what date can you load for. Now if I click over here on the calendar, I can actually load the ice for a different day. For instance, if I want to load it for a couple days from now. Let's say it's a Saturday, you get trucks ready for Monday, you can actually go ahead and put that load information in, or even for tomorrow. In this situation, right, in this example here, I'm just going to load for today. So I'm going to go down here and click OK. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to hit the down arrow. And here's all the trucks that are at my Olmsted Ice branch. And I'm actually going to pick I'm going to load for 23 and 24 in my example here. So I'm going to choose number 23. And I'm just going to click Add Items. Now down here, I can go ahead and select the items that I want to load. And I'm going to choose 20-pound bags, and I'll just put 500 of those. And I'll hit the down here at the bottom, and I'll hit confirm. Now I can go ahead and load more product on the truck by just clicking on Add Items again. And I'm going to choose, in this situation, I'm going to choose 7-pound bags. Now, the special about 7-pound bags is I'm batch coding tracking. So if you actually choose a product inside Cool Running that's being batch code tracked, in other words, you put a batch ID on the product, then when you go to load that product, it's going to require that you select the batch ID of what you're loading. So in this example right here, I hit the down arrow, and I'm just going to choose that batch ID right there, and I'm going to load 1,000 of those. Down arrow, confirm. Okay, so that truck is done. So let's say I want to do a second truck right now. All I got to do is change it up, truck 24. And again, I'm going to load for today. And let's go ahead and add items. And I'm going to choose again, I'll choose 20-pound bags, and I'll just do 600 on this truck, confirm. And again, sorry about that. I'm going to go ahead and load some more items. I'll choose 7-pound bags this time. Again, this is a batch coded item, so I'm just going to choose a batch code, and I'll load 1,200 of those, and confirm. Okay, so you can see right there, I've loaded that inventory in the truck. At any time, though, I can go up here and click All Trucks, and see all the information, all the items, all the quantity of items that's loaded on the truck. Okay, but again, I can go back to single truck, and I can actually edit these loads. So for instance, let's say it's 1,700 bags here. I can click right here and actually edit the quantity, like that. Or even delete it, if I wanted to, but I'll confirm this at the bottom. Okay, so all that truck inventory has been loaded up. Once I'm done, I can go up to the top and I can just click log out. Alright, so now I'm back to the main screen. Now since I got everybody on this screen right now, I actually want to take a second and say this same thing that we're doing right here can actually be done from the server as well. So I'll actually pull up Cool Running software. So I'm going to bring my screen over. This is coolrunningsoftware.biz, and I can go right into here under operations, and I can go down to vehicles, and I can choose load vehicles. Now, you can see right here the information of what's already been taken care of and loaded on these particular trucks. So I'm actually going to change the date to today. See, these are the 2 trucks that I already loaded, and I can go ahead and change this load information by clicking on them and going ahead and editing them from Cool Running. I'm going to click cancel there, but since I got this screen up, I'm going to load another vehicle. And in this case right here, I'll just choose truck 26. And I'm going to add inventory items, and I'm going to pick, let's just pick 20-pound bags, and I'm going to select Number of batches, I'm only going to load one batch. And I'm going to add it. Okay, and over here I can go ahead and put 500. Save. And I can go ahead and it's actually telling me that there's batch codes in this one. Okay, so I can actually load even more I can actually go ahead and batch code that as well. So I'm going to take that off the screen there. So all that information for those loads are already inside the system. So that's how you a user can actually, there's just one specific place that a loader can go in and load all the trucks for the next day. Or you can do it from the server, or you can do it from the handheld. Okay, so if anybody has any questions on how the loading feature works, please feel free to give me a call. Thank you.